Hey, welcome. In this video, we'll be discussing about 10 ways to improve your remote work. It's a blog written by me. I will share my screen and you can read this blog and I'll be sharing the link of it in the description, right? All right, let me share my screen and here it is. And 10 ways to improve your remote work and remote business to grow, right? And how to make money online. These are some things we can look into. And remote work has become the new norm. And right with the right strategies, you can not only become a productive but also grow your business, right? Whether you're a freelancer or entrepreneur or part of a remote team, these 10 tips will help you, right? And first tip is create a dedicated workspace. As already from years, people are saying about creating a dedicated workspace. Just set your workspace and so that your mental mood will switch into work mode and boost your focus. Avoid all the distraction. See, distraction is these are also different perspectives. If you use social media, it is not a distraction because there are different perspectives. With social media, many people are making money, so it's not a distraction. So that way, we have to understand. We have to change your different perception and focus solely on what distraction you are getting. See, for each have their own unique things as a distraction. So you have to understand what is your distraction. We cannot solely say these are all distraction. We cannot say that. So you have to understand yourself and you have to do that. And next we are moving ahead with a create a schedule. Maintaining a daily routine that includes meals, breaks, and regular working hours, work-life balance and productive are improved by consistency. So creating a schedule will help you. See, as I am recording this video after a live. So I hope you have watched the live. So I have scheduled all this and I have blocked 3 hours to dedicatedly record the videos for this month, right? So I'm creating this and same way you have to create a schedule and leverage technology to keep organized and in touch with your team. Make use of productive tools like time tracking, application, project management tools, and video conference like Meet or Zoom. Many other tools are out there. So whether you are using whatever tools, you have to leverage. These are all basic technologies, right? And effective communication is key for remote work, and you have to use messaging apps. Moreover, if you are taking any major decision, you should be organized in a mail format, right? You have to agree upon that. So that way you have to effectively communicate each and everything. Set clear goals and deadlines, right? You have to create from this much period, you have to fully set goals beyond in your control and out of controls. It will mean very, you do not have to worry about that, but you can set goal for that also. Okay. And then moving ahead with skill development, you have to invest in time to learn and upgrade your skills and so that you will be more valuable to the company, right? And network virtually. So join online community and attend virtual events and all, so you can communicate with that. Okay. So you have to network with other people and self-care and well-being. Practice your mental and physical regular exercise, meditation, and balanced diet can boost your energy and creativity. And you can use whatever it needed and automate and delegate, right? Identify repetitive tasks that can be automated and outsourced, right? So that if technology can do for you, then you have to leverage to technology. If another human labor can do for you, then you have to outsource that. So this way you have to do strategically and generate more revenue, and you have to only focus on generating revenue activities and diversify your income stream, right? So explore various online income sources such as affiliate marketing, online courses, e-commerce, or freelance gig. Diversification can safeguard your income, right? So you have to, in short, you have to create multiple streams of income, right? So these are the things we have discussed in this blog. If you want to read this blog, you can read. Else, this video will help you and happy growing.